Hi guys and welcome back to another video. Come on in, have a seat, relax, and enjoy. Today we're going to be looking at the Beats Power Pro 3s and I'm going to be giving you a few reasons why I think they're still amazing options for fitness headphones, even though you're probably not going to the gym right now because of the coronavirus, but you're also sitting at home, so you could go out for runs or just walk in the neighborhood and use them, and they're still amazing options. They're also much cheaper than they used to be a few years back. They had an MSRP of I believe like $200, so they are pretty pricey headphones, but now they're much cheaper and you could find them for like $50. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to use that link. It'll help me out as well by getting a bit of affiliate revenue, and it'll give you an amazing deal on these headphones. So let's actually get into why these headphones are still an amazing buy. As you guys can see, this is what they look like. They have the Beats logo and then it says Power Pro 3 on the side. I hope you could read that, but it's really small, so you probably can't. Then we have the adjustable ear hooks. One thing I really like about that is they really stay where you adjust them to. Most cheap headphones just go back. They're super rubbery, like this end right here, and they just go back to the position after you move it. And yeah, they're pretty simple. They have a power button on the top, and then you have a volume up, volume down, and a pause button right here. So why are they still worth it in 2020? Number one, their sound quality is still pretty decent. They are Beats after all, and they did have a heavy price tag. It wasn't the most crisp sound of any headphones out there, but after all, they are workout headphones, and you're not going to be thinking, oh, this doesn't sound too crisp when you're trying to push up a ridiculous amount of weight or running for your life or something like that. How would you be running for your life when you're just running? Or when you're just running super aggressively, I guess. So yeah, they have really quite decent audio quality. They have really nice bass, so I was about to say bass. They have really amazing quality bass, so it'll be amazing for pumping you up. And they have that 5 minutes of charge time for an hour of playtime, which is absolutely amazing. I honestly use these as my backup headphones. For my original headphones, I used the Jabra Elite 65E series. They're amazing. They're much more comfortable than this quality of headphones, but they don't have ear hooks on the outside, so they're not as stable on your ears as these ones are. I have a really fat ear cover on here to make them stick and cancel out all the noise. You have the left and the right written on each of the headphones, but you really don't need that because you can't really put these on backward anyways. So as I said, they have a 1 hour of playtime for about 5 minutes of charge, and then they have 12 hours of playtime in total from a full charge, which takes about an hour and a half. So really long battery life. That's one of the things I love about this. You could charge it one time in a week and then use it for an entire week of going to the gym, or just keep them as a backup case in your duffel bag and they will retain battery. And then obviously they have the clip, so if you want to tighten it up at the back of your ear and you don't want them to jump around a lot, you could do that, and it has a nice Beats logo on there as well. So another thing I love about these is actually the wire, and most people really love the true wireless thing, but I like the wire on here because when you're working out and you take out your earphones, you don't want to put them in your case. And I'm the type of person who, if he's not completely focused on an item and doesn't keep track of it, I kind of lose it. So if I come in with my keys and throw them on the sofa, I don't remember where they went after a while. So when you're talking to somebody at the gym and you take out your earphones, it's nice that it just hangs there instead of you losing track of it because it doesn't have a wire. So that's really nice. That's one of the things I still love about these Powerbeats Pro. But yeah guys, these are still an amazing option for workout / running headphones in 2021. They're much cheaper than they used to be. They have amazing bass. They have good, amazing battery life and amazing quick charge. You could use them as backup headphones or backup earphones or just your primary earphones, and they still perform really great. But anyways, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. If you want to buy these earphones, I'll leave a link in the comment section below, and hopefully you guys could check that out. I will also leave a link in the description. So yeah, definitely check them out. See what you think about them. I'm sure you'll love them. They are good quality mainstream headphones or earphones after all. So I'm sure you will love them. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. If you like this type of content in general, hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell. But other than that, I will let you go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day.